Hi guys, today we will be adding a subdomain and testing it on CPanel server. Okay, let's start with the browser and enter your CPanel URL. Okay, we have logged into the CPanel and you can see all the icons. Just scroll down to the domains category and click on the domains. Or you can see all the domains already added here as primary domains. We will be adding a subdomain to meohost.com. Uh, let's first check the subdomain, temporary subdomain we are going to set up. Let's name it temp.meohost.com. Okay, so there is no domain set up at this address. Let's check the main domain if it's working or not. Okay, it's loading fine. So let's create a subdomain with temp.meohost.com. Okay, go to the create domain here, create temp.meohost.com. Share document root. Okay, so actually meohost.com is located in the folder public.html. If you will tick this option, the temp.meohost will also route to the meohost.com. We don't want that. We want to set up a separate website on this a separate domain. Okay, so leave it unchecked and create a folder by the name. You can name it anything. Let's name it temp and submit. Done. uh, let's go to the file manager. Here you can see all the file. This is the public HTML of meohost.com and here's the temp of our new website. Let's create a new file. Okay, let's add some content and it's still not working. What we have done wrong? We haven't done anything wrong. Then why it's not working? Host manage here and modify the zones. Can we see? Okay, it's perfectly set up. It should work. It should work. There's nothing wrong with our settings. Let's check on the geo picker. Okay, this one has loaded. Hmm, so it's working fine. This is a test file. So basically it hasn't propagated in my country yet, but basically it has been set up correctly. We verified it from the zones of meohost.com and you can see basically it's loading all fine all over the world. And you can also check using what's my DNS. Okay, some part of the countries they are not working, otherwise it's just loading fine. That's strange. Okay, let me test it with the VPN on my browser. Okay. Here I turn on the VPN of the Opera and I press temporary.myhost.com and here you go, it's working. Okay, now I'm going to delete it Let me show you how to remove it. Go to the CPanel again and go to your domains. Here's the temporary subdomain we have set up. Click on manage. This is the directory. You can change the directory of the subdomain from here, but if you don't want to, we are here for removing this. Okay, remove domain. Yes, remove this domain. Are you sure that you want to remove that? Yes, remove this domain. Okay, done. The domain has been removed. Now let's check in the file manager if the folder is also removed or not. We don't want it to be left hanging out there. Here's the temporary folder and here's the index.file that we created. So it didn't delete the folder. Let's delete it from here also. Skip the trash and permanently delete this. Okay, let's check. Okay guys, sorry, there is no website here at this domain, so it's confirmed that the subdomain has been removed correctly. Thank you.